My name is Paul Asi G. Gonzalez. Papakita ko po sa inyo ang 25 basketball referee signal. Number 1, stop the clock. And number 2, stop the clock for a violation. And number 3, stop the clock for a foul. And number 4, lifting violation. And number 5, double dribble. And number 6, jump ball violation. And number 7, kick ball violation. And number 8, out of bounds violation. And number 9, backcourt violation. And number 10, traveling violation. And number 11, 3 seconds violation. And number 12, 5 seconds violation. Number 13, 8 seconds violation. And number 14, 24 seconds violation. And number 15, pushing foul. And number 16, substitution. And number 17, timeout violation. And number 18, 3-point shoot. Number 19, double foul. And number 20, foul basket. Number 21, blocking foul. Number 22, technical. And number 23, offensive foul. And number 24, unsportsmanship. And number 25, no counted. Ayun po ang 25 basketball referee signal. Thank you.